Chirag Gurnani. I'm a second year student pursuing BBA in Hospitality and Operations Management in NMIMS Navi Mumbai. NMIMS is one of the top ranked universities in India. It is known for its exceptional education and its high quality faculty. My experience at NMIMS Navi Mumbai has been really enjoyable. The exciting curriculum and the activities that this college provides is something that motivates me. So our day starts with our practical classes, which begins at 9 o'clock and it goes till 2 o'clock to 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Our practical classes are very enjoyable. They give us a real life exposure to how it is actually done in the industry. Our practical classes include culinary operations, front office, food and beverage, accommodation operations. During the first year, we students used to work in the BTK, which is the behind the kitchen, which is located behind the canteen. During our second year, we have moved a level up and we are working in the QTK, wherein we cook food in bulk. We are exposed to different Indian cuisines. We also serve to our faculty, by which we get feedback, and this is how we keep on improving. Moreover, our food and beverage practicals are also very interesting. We have learned different types of services, including wine, beer, and various alcoholic beverages. So we have other practical labs, which include our front office lab, our food and beverage lab, our accommodation operations lab, which are all well equipped. Next, we have our theory classes, which start from 2 o'clock. Theory classes are full of visual learning. We are shown different kinds of videos which help us understand better. The environment of the classes are really positive. I take a lot of learning every day from my theory classes, and there's lots of addition of knowledge every day. Next, we have a library, and this is the best place where students can use their free time in order to complete their assignments or to complete any upcoming projects. The college also offers us a sports room, which includes a table tennis area and a carom area. We also have a music room wherein students practice their instruments before any event takes place. So overall, NMIMS has been a very exciting journey till now. Its practical knowledge, or be it its theory knowledge, its environment, the friends that I earned during this 1.5 years have all been a great experience for me, and I am definite that this journey goes better, be it our internships or our theory classes or practical learning.